So what is the science of swing that keeps the batter guessing and even inspires alliterative headlines? Let's take a closer look. One side of the cricket ball is shiny, the other side is rough, and the seam is up straight. As the ball cuts through the air, it bifurcates the air at the seam. On the shiny side, the air flows smoothly, a laminar flow. And on the rough side, the air flows chaotically, a turbulent flow. The air glides along the shiny side and leaves the shiny surface earlier than the air on the rough surface. When the air on the shiny side leaves the surface of the ball early, the ball experiences a force in the opposite direction, towards the rough side. As a result, the ball swings towards the rough side or away from the right-handed batter. To understand this better, imagine a jetpack with two outlet nozzles. If the right side nozzle is fired first, which direction do you think it'll fly? Yes, exactly, to the left. This is what we call a conventional outswing. Similarly, with the rough side on the right, once again the ball swings towards the rough side to achieve conventional inswing.
This one coming.